So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create and design a children's coloring book to publish and sell. You can even sell this on Amazon. So let's get right to it. Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. You can see I'm smiling. Yes, today we are celebrating like a mini celebration for reaching our first milestone, which is 500 subscribers. Yes, so we hit that first milestone. So thank you to everyone that have subscribed. Thank you all of you to my subscribers and all of you that have also shared my videos. Thank you so much. I've been seeing everything you're doing. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the shares. Thank you for the comments and everything. Just thank you, thank you, thank you. So if you're new here, what are you waiting for before you join this wonderful family? So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. So if you're new here, my name is Ijoma. I teach you how to use your creativity to make money in the online space. So let's not make today's video too long. Let's get right to the video. So the first thing, you go to Canva. We're using Canva for this. So on Canva, you choose the size A4 document. Okay, that's the size you are choosing. You can choose any other size. It depends on the size you want to use for your kids coloring book. Okay, so for here we're using A4 document size. Then you're going to go on to title your ebook. So your book could be anything. All right, so we're titling this one coloring book. Coloring book is just enough. Now we are going to do this coloring book. We're going to use the alphabet style, so it's ABC. All right, so we're going to start off with the first thing on A, which is for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. So that's what we're going to start off with. So we're going to elements. You click on elements. You go on to type in aeroplane. We're looking for the type of aeroplane we want to use for our colors. All right, for our coloring book. So I'm going to check for the airplane that suits coloring so children can color it. Okay, so I'm going to look for that very type of airplane and we're going to use that. Okay, so that's what I'm searching for now. Okay, so airplane for coloring, so I'm going to choose one and go ahead with it. All right, so that's our airplane. I guess this one is okay, right? So I can use this airplane. Okay. Then we're going to go on to put our alphabet. Okay, so we are using alphabet style so children can learn their ABC as they do their coloring. So we're going to be using um, big letter and small letter in our alphabet. So I guess I'll have to change the font. I don't think I'm okay with this font. Look for a more playful looking font, okay, that kids can relate with. A more playful looking font that kids can relate with. All right, I guess this is cool. We'll use this one. Okay, so I can go on to write my airplane. I have to spell out the airplane there. All right, so that's the spelling there, airplane spelled out. So we're going to repeat this process for A, B, C, just like that. All right, in our kids coloring book. We're trying not to make this video too long, okay, so you can just catch it. But I'm going to change this plane. I don't think I like this type of plane. Let me change it to something realistic for kids. Okay, let me change the airplane. All right, something that our modern kids can relate with. I think this is better. I prefer this one. Okay, so we're using this one for our airplane. Okay, yeah, that's our airplane. Okay, so we're going to repeat the same process A, B, C, just like that until our book is done, and you do this up to letter Z. Okay, and make sure you design a beautiful cover for your book. All right, so I think I'll do a different video where I teach you how to design book covers. Okay, so for this one, we're just creating the coloring book. Okay, so that's it. Now you can see I just duplicated the page because I want to do the same thing for B, for letter B, okay? I was thinking balloon, but I think I'll just to work with ball. Okay, I was thinking balloon, but I think I'll work with ball here. B for ball. That would be good. I wanted to say B for balloon. I think that's even too long. Let's do B for ball. Okay, the kids can relate with that. Let's do B for ball. Okay, and that's a good ball, color ball there. Check other ones. No. I'll just use this one up here, which is easier for me to use. This is easier for the kids to color. So we're going to go on to, let me just fix it right, then go on to change our letter to letter B. Okay, the big letter and the small letter B. All right, then we can um, write the B A double L ball. We're going to spell out the ball there and just set it right. And that's our second page. That's second page of our coloring book. We're going to keep doing this until we get to Z. Okay, so we're going to go on now. I just need to set it right. Then we're going to go on to letter C. Okay, let's do our letter C. So I'm just going to duplicate the page, which makes it easier for me instead of um, writing afresh. Okay, so we're going to put C, big letter C and small letter C. That's for the third letter, which is C for cup. Okay, we're going to use cup. All right. Yes, this cup is colorable. So I'm just going to fix it in the right position. Okay, make sure that's good. And that's our letter C. Okay, so we're done with our third letter, which is C, and we're using cup. So we're going to go on and do the D. Okay, so to save, you just click on share and click on download. All right, we need to download this as a PDF. All right, so we're gonna go on there and click PDF, and you're good to go. Just download it as PDF. All right, that's it. So you are downloading as a PDF, and that's a simple way. As you can see, that's our coloring book being flipped. All right, so you go on, print it out. You can publish it on Kindle, or you can publish it yourself and sell it. So I hope you got value from today's video. I hope you learned something. Make sure you share this video with your friends that might be interested in what I've shared here today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and do all the nice things that you do for me, okay, to support my channel. Thank you once again for helping me hit our first milestone. We are looking to hit our second milestone, which is 1,000 subscribers. So if you have not subscribed yet, don't hesitate. Please hit on that subscribe button. Click that subscribe button, click on the like button, click on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload videos like this. Okay? So until next time, stay blessed. See you in my next one. Bye.